getting ready to take a trip in the Mini-Mate, going to Temperanceville, Virginia. So here's the Mini-Mate set up in the Tall Pines campsite in beautiful Temperanceville, Virginia. Right over beyond those RVs is some kind of water. So that's the campsite with the awning. Got a little fire pit. Running power off the main breaker. And inside, got my air mattress. Under counter storage needs a little bit of organization, I'm guessing. There's my little bedside table. Gonna be a little cold tonight, so I'm running a heater. I'll have a nice view of my fire tonight. And more to come. Well, here's a beautiful day in the rain in the Mini-Mate. Staying nice and dry underneath the awning. Water's running off just good. Got my coffee boiling. All is good.